What is up, YouTube? Man, I just got done dropping my wife off and I'm like still tired. The only reason why I'm freaking vlogging right now is because I'm falling asleep on the road. Look, my eyes aren't even open, are they? I don't know. You answer that question. Because I don't know if they're open or not, man. I'm like, I fell asleep a couple times, man. You guys ever done that? Where you're like drifting off and all of a sudden you wake up and you're like 2 lanes over? Man, I just did that. Back there. Whoa! Yep. See, man, I'm telling you, dude. Whew. Dang, it's hard, man. What time did we go to bed? Like 3:30? Yeah, I went to bed at 3:30. Woke up at 5:50. So what is that, like 2.5 hours of sleep almost? Man! Oh, just awake. Alright, y'all. Mecca here in Wally. Check out the shirt. Hell yeah! stack them up. Anyways, just, you know, doing my little tour around the store. Because why? Because I like to. And what do I have in my right hand? Don't worry about it. Ha ha ha!